Welcome to the mix, and on the mix we have Erica. Now, Erica is talking about this lady that came in her inbox and telling her, that she don't respect her because of what's going on with her and some. So, Erica is saying that she's not gonna give up her rights for someone to respect her. So, if she can't respect her, then that's her problem. She's saying that she hasn't gone to her in her inbox any day telling her that she's hungry and she would like anything from her. So go ahead and catch the video now, and please remember to like, share, subscribe, and also comment on the video, and watch Erica as she speaks about this situation with her and Mr. Ransom. Thank you.
You just avoid me. That me say. You can't talk nothing about my children them. When me figure vex them are big people. 29-year-old. And they have their life and live very decent. You don't know about you. And me never hold no charity plate. When me a go foreign, me carry them. Me never run well left them at Jamaica. I never ever look back figure them a sweetie. Charity and some run well left feed them. So you can't talk to me. You respond soon. Respect. You are gonna respect me for me. Me have to give up my rights so you respect me. No lady. Nobody respect me and no manage me neither, because me never ask you to lift me up. Me never come in your inbox one day and tell you I'm hungry. And anything when me have legal, me never invite you. You see it? You say you come on me yard. Me never invite you here. So you come on camera. So no leave me alone. Leave me alone. Me no know about you come on me yard. Me know about me come a Ochi come meet you. That me know about. You no invite me out. Me no know about the yard one. So you look like me have shallow mind. So me have to go search back some life for look. All I know come down for me for what? Go out with your big old man, your master, and your big old friend. American or no American, whether that for do. And me tell her if we go sleep with double-sided pit bull. And you come over here and call up a lady name, me no time. If me have to put out, me put out. But put fun and joke aside. No. In her age group, she should not sleep. She should not make the same thing we are going to carry on. You can't boy you have man in a them your age group here. We are carry on. So enough time she a kiss another man hood. Make we go a bush go look good now and talk. Lady you pass them the age the long time for you live them the dirty life there too. So not uno come for me now. Come for me. Left me alone. I tell you as if me feel like come and contact about it now uno can't stop me. Leave me alone, man. And you come on social media, come call her name, not me. Because this is social media war, not me. See, say you're an idiot. I'm American. So I don't see him 2 foot and 2 inch. The only difference with me and her, me not there with no man, we have no other man. Oh. That a young good difference. Me don't want no man we have no other man. Please and thanks. At her age, She not supposed to sleep with man we have another man. She not our man not supposed to go out the road, go suck out tongue and come back and suck out fear. I want to say I don't believe in a God. Right now you should not get some pampering. Leave me alone. What I want to? Leave me alone. When I have a black the woman, the so-called liar out on my phone. Yeah? She's up on your life, yeah? I have a black the so-called liar out on my phone. Good black car. You lie, I want to go back to school. I don't know where you learn coconut dry. Where you learn for your liarship from? She want to go back to school. Run her back part. The big boy then. She not at school with big boy then. Handsome, you liar, make a fool of herself. She want to go to school with big boy. She want to go to school with big boy too. I never see one liar. That come to get so what then? But I keep not the strength. But I want to get sleep. Want to take a good rest. Yes. Handsome. Put that woman there and not play with you. They go and play tomorrow. The liar want to go to school with big boy. Look at the glass of the I'm not joke. This is somebody on the life right upset. She know me, that's why she had to go and warn me. She don't know me, she don't go see me. So true, you know me. When you say true, she know me. True, she know me, she can't disrespect me. All I say, true, she know me.